Oh. She a vibe. Hello my friends, so it has definitely been quite a few weeks since I last posted, but here we are. We love not having content and losing motivation, but you know what, it'd be like that sometimes. Anyways, today's video, as you're reading the title, I feel like I do this in every single vlog, but I decided to make it its own video because why not? Anyways, it's going to be another redecorating my wall. I don't know how many times y'all have seen me do these type of videos, but I'm just an indecisive bitch that loves to change his walls every single week or something, and you know what? It'd be like that. Anyways, as you can see, this is my wall. It looks so cute right now, but I'm gonna be changing it, so. But honestly, I don't really know what type of aesthetic I'm trying to go for this time around, but I guess it's just gonna be me like choosing photos and then seeing where I can place things. Yeah, decorate with me, maybe talk with me for a bit. I don't know, because I'm lonely. Will I even have the motivation to finish filming this video? Maybe. I don't know. Like I said, stay tuned. Alright, before I do any like removing stuff from the wall, this is what the before looks like. As you can see, I have my little calendar, and I don't know why I decided to place these here. I mean, I thought it looked cute, but yeah, we have some Jenna, we have some Sunoo, we have some Julian, but yeah, they be looking good, but I don't know, I feel like I should change it up. And I also never finished my Polaroid wall because I ended up putting True Beauty up there, but this is what it looks like before, and we'll see what it looks like after if I even get to finishing it. But stay tuned. Work. Oh. She a vibe. We're gonna stick with this. So right now I'm trying to pick photos for the wall. I don't know what I want to go for, honestly. I'm leaning more towards like yellow and blue because on my wall right now it's mainly like green, blue, and yellow, but I think I'm still gonna stay with like the blue and the yellow. I'm currently looking at photos of sunoo from enhypen because I've been getting into them so much recently, and like I think sunoo is my bias, so look at how cute he is. Sometimes I just feel like I want to just sometimes it takes me like, I don't know how many hours it takes me to like look through like Pinterest for photos, because sometimes I just am not satisfied with anything. So I don't know what I want to go for, but I'm trying to stick to, like I said, the yellows and the blues. You're literally seeing me right now being so indecisive, which is pretty much me every single day. I'm currently looking up yellow aesthetics, but I can't really find anything, so I don't know what to do now. All right, in the next clip I'll probably have a few pictures, but as of right now I can't find anything, so we'll see, but I'll keep you updated. Alright my friends, so it is a bit later, but I managed to find some pictures that I think would go on my wall. Like I said, I tried to keep the yellow and blue together and somewhat green still. So let me just show you guys what I have, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and print them out. So yeah. So these are the pictures that I've chosen so far, and I think I'm just gonna stay with these for now, and then if I feel like I need to get more, I will. But yeah, they look so cute. Like we got sunoo, and then we have jaemin, and then I have some pom pom purin, and then Nike, and then just a few other things. I'm gonna go ahead and print these out, and then we'll see what happens. Alright my friends, so this is what it looks like when it's printed out. Looks so cute. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut them out with my little cutter that I got from Walmart. I would use scissors, but like that would take a lot of time, so yeah. But anyways. Alright my friends, so it is now time to remove stuff from the wall. I have some sentimental value with some of these things, so I'm like, do I really want to take it down? But changes must be made. But I think I'm gonna keep some of them up here. I just don't know which ones. So we will figure that out. Alright, so I love this. Jen actually made this myself, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and make a new one with the colors that I'm trying to go for. So like the blue and the yellow. So yeah, I'll try to work around it. I'm going to be taking this one down, but I love him. Okay, let's see. What else would not really go with the aesthetic I'm going for? Then again, everything is so nice on here. Okay, Shotaro. I love you, Shotaro. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, baby. Oh my god, I don't have nails. I just cut my nails earlier, so it's kind of hard to like remove stuff right now. So like, my nails are in pain. But he looks so cute. I literally cut my nails earlier, TMI, but like, yeah, they're so short. And so when I try to take the pictures off, they hurt. So anyways, I'm taking this one down as well. Should I print out new Polaroids? I don't know, maybe. Okay, we'll just take them out for now. But yeah, these are the Polaroids that I had up on my wall. We have Younghoon from The Boys and then Tae. Oh my god, looks so good. And then another one with Sungchan and Shotaro. Oh, I love them. And for the Jaemin picture, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one that I ended up printing out. Might put it here too, I don't know. Oh, and if y'all didn't know, Jaemin is my birthday twin, which if y'all didn't know what my birthday is, it's August 13th, so mark your calendars. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep this one on the wall, but I don't know where I'm gonna place it next. But this is really, really cute. And I got this from Shop Chubby, I believe. I'll leave their username right here, but they're an Instagram shop and they have really cute prints. So check them out. And also this thing is from a little packaging from Baohan Fresh. She made like a really cute stamp and I didn't want to throw it away. So it's here, but it's so, so cute. But it says, please don't bend and please recycle as well. Ah, how cute, we love it. All right, so what's on the wall so far is what I want to keep for now, and then maybe if I don't like it I'll take it off, but for now these are what I'm planning on keeping. So yeah, but anyways, let's try to figure out how I'm gonna plan this out. So yeah. Don't worry, I'll be there whenever you want me.
Feels like I've been gone on the lawn, and your hand-me-down car feels so far away, away.
Alright my friends, so I think I'm gonna stop here for today because I'm honestly still trying to figure out what else I should add, but so far I think I like it, so that's good. Like, I hope that I don't change it all overnight. Maybe I will. No, but like, it's cute. I like it. So we're gonna keep it this way for now, and then I'll probably add more stuff soon, and then I'll probably just show you guys the reveal after. I don't know how long this is gonna take me, so. Also, as you saw from the time lapse, I was very indecisive as to where to put things. That's literally how I am, and it's just like, really, Rainer? Like I could place something here, and then I'm like, oh wait, it's not cute there, and then I change it, and then I move it again, and then I'm like, Rainer, make up your mind. Alright my friends, so before we continue on, I'd love to give a huge thank you to Buyee for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys don't know what Buyee is, they are an online Japanese proxy service, and through there you're able to buy through multiple Japanese retailers, and we love that because sometimes it'd be hard to like buy stuff from certain websites, but through Buyee it's made so much easier. Buyee enables you to purchase items from various Japanese retailers such as Mercari and Amazon Japan without a hassle. One of the retailers available, Mercari, is well known within the K-pop photo card community, where you can purchase photo cards or merchandise from various groups, which is definitely helpful for those trying to grow their collection. And from the moment you complete your purchase, Buyee will then order the items for you, have it shipped to their warehouse, and then straight to you, which makes the purchasing process from Japan and overseas much easier. So like I was saying with like the photo card community, I seriously love collecting photo cards, and Mercari through Buyee, I've been able to buy so many photo cards through there. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, make sure to do so, because literally if you're in need of like getting multiple photo cards for like a certain group or something, Mercari and Buyee got you. And again, a huge thank you to Buyee for sponsoring today's video. And if you're interested in checking them out, make sure to check out the links in the description box below. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say, so let's just get back into the video. All right, my friends, so it is much later, but anyways, this is what I did with the wall so far. I was gonna add more stuff here, but I got lazy, so anyways, this is what I ended up coming up with. I think I like it so far. Like I said, I'll probably add more stuff later. You'll probably just see it in like a vlog or like on my story on Instagram, which if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to do so. I kept some of the things on here, like I said. So I kept this cute art print from Shop Chubby. I'll probably leave their stuff in the description box if y'all are interested, but really cute. And then I added some of the photos of Sunoo and then some of the pictures that I ended up printing out in the previous clips. And then I kept Winwin's photo card because it kind of goes well with Sunoo. Like the color theme, like I was living for it, so I decided to keep that there. And then this was over there, so I moved it over here. And then I kept Songchan and Shotaro because they look so cute and it low-key matches the vibe, so. And then, oh my god, look at this. Let me just show you guys. This is a cute Sanrio photo holder, and I decided to put Sunoo's photo card on there. But it is a Pachaco photo holder case, and it's so cute, so I decided to just put it in there. Also, if you guys were wondering where I got this is from Amazon Japan. I'll probably leave the link down below too if you guys are interested, because I've been seeing a lot of people being like, oh my god, it's so pretty, where'd you get it? So Amazon Japan, y'all. And also I decided to add a few Polaroids. So we have Jin and Tae. So Taejin, love, we stand. This print over here I ended up getting from Pinterest, and it's from a wonderful artist on Twitter, so I will leave their stuff down below. And it went well with the theme that I was going for overall, which is mainly, like I said, like yellows, greens, blues. But I feel like that's what it was before, but you know what? I decided to go with it again because spring is coming around and I thought it looked cute, so it'd be like that. And then I decided to still keep Subin's photo cards, so he looks real cute, so we have that. And then these last two images, we have more prints, like I said, that I printed out. So we have jaemin and then another cute little image. But yeah, that's pretty much the wall so far. And then on this side, I still ended up keeping the same thing because, like I said, I was lazy. I'll probably fix that later, make it look cuter, but eventually she will get fixed. I will tell you that. Also, I don't know about y'all, but like when it comes to like decorating on camera, I kind of get a little pressured. So I was just like, do I really want to continue decorating on camera? Because then all the creativity, literally it just fades away, and I'm just like, okay, well, all right. So yeah, I decided not to do a lot of it on camera, so I hope that you guys understand that, but I still tried to make a video out of it nonetheless. But you know, it'd be like that. Anyways, but yeah, that's pretty much the wall. I didn't end up finishing my Polaroid wall yet either, but I'd be incompetent. Anyways, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this little video. I thought it turned out really cute, even though I feel like there's not much that I really did, but you know what? I just wanted to make a video out of it, so I hope that you guys enjoyed it nonetheless. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, if you guys want to see me ramble more and try to decorate more, I want to decorate more parts of my room, but I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that you all are staying safe. Make sure to follow me on my social media, Instagram and TikTok. Y'all know the deal already. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and I will see you guys again soon. All right, bye.